Guess what, guys? I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. So this works 2026. So you get a joystick so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You get a bar on the right side of the screen, which is going to show you all the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, we got all these settings here. So it's super cool. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So as you can see, I got all the settings here. So this is super cool. And I can actually change the speed my character walks, which is super amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we are going to need the Pokemon trainer code. So make sure you guys copy that. And now I'm going to take you over to the website. So the website we're going to go to is called ispoofpogo.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the site, it's going to be a button that says inject Spoofer now, so you just want to go ahead and press that, and it should download straight onto your device. So you can read all about it here, as you can see, but today we're just going to do the download. So I'm going to press inject Spoofer now. So at this point, it's going to ask for the Pokemon trainer code and the platform, so let me just put that in. So I'm going to press continue. So as you can see, it's loading. So before this finishes loading, it is going to say, do you want the full edition or the custom edition? So this really doesn't matter, guys, but I'm going to do the full edition. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. So at the end, the spoofer should be downloaded onto our device. So let's just give it a minute here for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it says initializing, so I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So let's just see if this works. All right. So it's super cool. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. So let's see if this goes through. You can see it says verifying. All right. And as you can see, it failed. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again, and we'll see if it works this time. So let's see if it works. And yes, it worked, guys. So be sure to try us out. That's how I get Pokemon Go Spoofer for your device. So this works 2026 for iOS and Android. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, you get all the settings. So it's super wild. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. But as you can see, we have the joystick and all this stuff. So it's super cool. So yeah, as you can see, we have all these settings here. So it's full of options. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. And that is super cool, guys. So that's how to get it for your device. So as you can see, we have all the options. So you can actually change your character's speed, which is super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out.